how Builderall works. Once you watch this video, you're gonna know how to work with Builderall. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. To start using Builderall, you need to buy one of their packages. Now they have two packages. They have the 29 per month version, which includes the site builder, funnel builder, email autoresponder. And now they have the other version, which is the 69.90, which has like 30 tools, plus Magento, WordPress, tracking, CRM, Canvas, and many other tools. So you could either go to their website, which is builderall.com, and buy Builderall, or I will leave below this video a 7-day free trial so you can test Builderall out, and then if you want, you then can upgrade it from the inside. Alright, so now I already bought Builderall. I'm an active user with Builderall. I actually am an ambassador of Builderall. Once you go to the 7-day free trial that I have below, or you buy Builderall right away, you then go to work with Builderall, you would go to office.builderall.com. And I'm gonna show you here how Builderall works. So you come here to their back office, where is the home page where you have everything. This is gonna come up. Now here, you can customize your back office. When you start, you will have nothing showing here. Now I have tools already here that are showing, like Builderall Perfect Builder, Canvas, all the tools that I choose. So you would go here, install more tools. And here you have by category on the left. And so you can choose what tools you want to use. So if you want builders, you would go here. The Pixel Perfect Builder is the most important tool of Builderall. And this tool, what does is you build websites, you build funnels, and so what you do is you select the tool that you want to have it on your dashboard. I have all these tools already in, so let me just select one that I don't have. So let's say Facebook chatbots. I would click on it and I would just click add, and what happens, you can see over here, it will add the tool to my dashboard. Now let me go here and you have all the categories. You can come here. So if you have design, you have video tag, photo studio, you have all the tools here inside that you can work with. So let me go here to all the tools, and these like I said, they have like 30 tools, marketing tools. These are the ones that I use the most. Let me go here to my to the first page. Now let me go back here to the dashboard and show you how Builderall works. So once you add all the apps here into your dashboard, these are the ones that I have. So I have the Pixel Perfect Website Builder, the Canvas Funnel Builder. It's where you build funnels and all that kind of stuff, automation. You have Mailing Boss, which is the autoresponder emails. You have ClickMap. And so I'm gonna go over how it works, the most important things. First of all, the Pixel Perfect. Let me just go ahead and enter. You click on it and you enter. So here we land on our perfect pixel area. And here we have all the websites that we build, we create, right? If you want to create a website, you literally go to here on top, new website, and what you would do is you have here all the categories with many sites already done, templates where you can choose and just edit them. Or I normally start here from blank page, and I go ahead and I edit the page, and this is how you start building a new website. This is from scratch, right? So here you have the website. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm just going to go ahead and add an image here. Just right click on it, change image. Select here image. And what I'm going to do now, I have the image here. I have to go ahead and save it. And I have to select a website name. So I'm just gonna do temp website temporarily. Okay, send and save. Once I do this, I can leave the editor, just leave the editor and go back here to my websites. So I would go back to home to list all the websites, the one that I've just created. and go to Pixel Perfect, enter. Alright, here is the website that we've just created from blank. What I want to do now is click here on the bottom, publish, change successfully, changes are made. Now here's the website. When we click on it, we can see the website. Here is the website, and as you can see over here, we have a URL that comes with Builderall. So you can use this URL. You don't need to buy a domain. You could literally use just this one, and as you can see here, temp website is the name of the website that we gave. So now let me close this page. If you'd want, you could change here subdomains on top. So let me click here. You see here it says Ourique 2. You could change that for any subdomain that you want over here. Now if you want to connect a domain to your website, it's actually very easy. On these three dots, you would go here, connect domain. And what do, you simply type the domain here. I'm just gonna type in FábioOurique.com. That's my website. I'm gonna go and put CDN all religions, because Builderall has servers all over the world. That's why it's very fast. And so what I would do is I would click save. And this is the only step that you would have to do. So on where you buy your domain, let's say at GoDaddy or Namecheap or any other website, what you would do once you buy the domain, you would go to NS servers, which is the name servers, and you would add these two name servers to it, which is actually very easy to do. You would add this one and this one. Once you do that, it's actually very fast. Once you add it there, you just come here and you just click I got it, let's connect domain, and once you click that, boom, your domain is connected, and it's connected to your website and ready to go. Just like, for example, this is my website, this is FábioOurique.com, and this is my website. I'm a minimalist. I like to keep things simple. So this is my website, and as you can see, the domain here is connected. And one very good thing with Builderall is that they have, you see, your connections, this is in Portuguese, but it says your connection is safe. See, they have HTTPS implemented in the system, which is very good for security reasons. Alright, so here our website is connected. Now here we can do many things. One thing we can do is we could here on the three dots, we could public layout, and once we do that, we'd come here to get link, and we could share this website or funnel with anybody that has Builderall. Here also, once you connect your domain to the page, for example, I'm gonna go here to my website here, FábioOurique.com. If there's a button on the bottom which says email. Now here, when you click here, what you do is you create a professional email for you with your domain, and that's very easy because you literally just go here and you just put the email. Let's say you want Fábio at yourdomainname.com, so yourname.com. You put in your password confirm, and then you click add, and literally it will build you a email address, a professional email address that you can access here. You see, access webmail. Then you would click here. Let me show you. And here you have a professional email. You see right here, Fábio at FábioOurique.com, and you can write new emails. You can receive emails sent. It's just like Gmail, very easy to use. All right, that's how you build professional emails here with Builderall. So this is how Builderall works. Now you can duplicate, you can do as many websites as you want. You don't have to care about hosting, about coding, because this is drag and drop. They do all the hosting. Is quite simple to use. So these are how you build a website, and you can build funnels in here, you can build blogs. Now let me go back here to home and show you some other tools. Now here's the other tool, and this tool is a new tool that Builderall has and no other platform on the internet has, which is the Canvas. And this Canvas tool is, you click here. So I'm gonna just test. I'm gonna call this test. And what do you do here? So you select your category. I'm just gonna select all for now. And here literally you have sales funnels, templates. So let's say a e-learning funnel. You would click here, you'd select the theme that you want. So let's agency theme. I can preview or select. I'm just gonna select. And what this does is literally builds a funnel for you, a blueprint of a funnel. And here you can manage everything. So you have the course, the checkout, and you can also have email autoresponder connected here. You just right click on it and you see the options. You can do everything here. I'm not going to go into depth into this because there's a lot to it. But you even have here funnel conversion data, which I find very awesome because you can see how what people are doing throughout the funnel, and then you can optimize it, make it better. So this tool is freaking amazing because you literally build a blueprint here, then you save it, and then you click here on create website, and then the website, I'm just gonna close for now. The website will be going to the Pixel Perfect builder, and then you can edit there, optimize, and boom, have it live connected to your email autoresponder, having tracking and all that good stuff. Now I'm just gonna go over really fast through some other stuff because Builderall has like 30 tools. It's an all-in-one marketing platform. It has many tools, so I'm not gonna go over all of them because it's too much, but I'm just gonna go some of them that are really good ones. So ones that I really like. So the one that I really love is the Pixel Perfect Builder. I use a lot. I love Canvas. It's freaking awesome. Then I like Mail Boss, but I choose to use another autoresponder. But the good thing with Builderall is that you can connect other autoresponder to the builder very easily, so that makes my life easier. Then I use this one, which is Click Map. I love this tool. I want to show you real quick. I go here, show map, and this is my website. And as you can see here, this is like a heat map, and it literally tells me where people are clicking, and I can see the redness is where people are clicking. And I have maps, but I could choose here clicks, and I can literally see where did people click, and this is very good so you can optimize your website. And this is just the code you add into the Perfect Pixel, and you literally track what people do on your website. You can see the red dots is where people click on the website. So I can see here that people are clicking a lot on here on my 10x your Builderall sales funnel. People are clicking here on everywhere, but mostly here, and on join my team Builderall frequent asked questions. So this tool is pretty amazing, and you can add to any website, and it will literally tell you where people are clicking so that you can see their behavior, and then you can optimize and put the button on a different place or write different things. And you can, the good thing is here you can put the date, so you can literally see by date, and that is really good because let's say, oh, I'm sorry about these bells going on, but you know what, I'm just gonna keep going. And so the good thing is you can optimize here, and if you do a change on your website, then you can put the specific date that you did the change, and you will see only the visits that came after that change. That makes it really easy. Okay, so to another tool, this Photo Studio. It's a really good tool. I'm not gonna go into it. The good thing about it is you put in images there, and you can host images, and you can edit images, you can add text to it, so you can do a lot of things. It's like a photo editor. Here, this tool is Webinar. It's an amazing tool for you to use and automate webinars. Actually, I have one webinar here. It's pretty good. Social proof. This thing is you literally, when people sign up into your website, you can show other people that people are signing into your website, so it creates proof and people are more likely to join you. E-learning, it's I'm sorry for the bells, but I'm just gonna keep going because, you know, I can't, this just keeps coming in and just crushing my work. Anyways, you know guys, if this is making sense what I'm showing you, please type Builderall below this video. I would be so excited if you do that. Thank you so much. Let's keep going. So e-learning, this is amazing. I'm gonna show you because I want to show you because this one is so good. E-learning is like an e-learning platform and you can build courses here. I'm just gonna show, I have a course here that I use a lot, and the good thing about this, let me open the course, show you. As you can see here, the course, you click on it and it will open, and you can set it all this up. You have welcome. I click on it and the image, and it shows here with the video. People can comment. It's very good, and it's very easy to use too. If you go to edit here, you have the modules. You can see the modules. I have the lessons, all the lessons. So it's pretty great and easy to use. All right, so let me show you another tool, which is the CRM. CRM is where you track what your prospect is doing throughout the site. Where did you click? And you can it gives them points. That way you know who is engaged, who is not, and so that you can optimize your conversions and all that stuff. Video tag is pretty awesome. Literally, you put tags on any video that you want. So, and these are the tools that I use the most. Now I could go ahead and add more tools here. I'm sorry for the bells again, guys, but you know, I'm just gonna keep going. And so these are the tools that I use. Now there's a lot more tools and amazing tools that I also have to explore more. I'm not gonna go into them right now. This is how Builderall works. You literally have all the apps here on the front page. You just pick which one you want to use, and then you go ahead and you use them, right? Yeah, I think I went over the most basic stuff, and there's more stuff. So Builderall is all-in-one marketing platform. It is freaking amazing. I hope you find this valuable. If you like this content, like or unlike this video. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe. If you know somebody that will benefit from this content, please share with them. Did this video help you to see how Builderall works? If yes, here on top, say yes or no. Let me know if it helped you. Here on top, you can say yes or no. All right. Below this video, I will leave a 7-day free trial of Builderall, so you can test the tools out, and then so you have 7 days to test it out. And I recommend you go about it that way, so you can test the tools out for yourself. And they have tutorials in there, so you can learn. And then if you like them and if you want them to use, then you can go ahead and inside the platform you can upgrade and pay and keep using this amazing platform. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.